Hey guys, welcome back to some more SDA Info Corner. So today I'm going to show you what are the benefits of making a Google account. So I will show you. First I'll just go to account.google.com and sign in again. And then I will write my password. And then I click next. And then I have my Google account. But then number one we have is Maps. Maps allow you to where notify where are the places where you can go, like hotels, shops, resorts. Like I'll just type I will like hotels, and it will show me the nearest hotel in here, and the most nearest hotel in here we have is this Fab Hotel Mission, like that. Okay, and then it allows you to find places, and you guys can do so many things in here. So you guys can notify me. Okay, next up we have YouTube. YouTube, you guys might think, why do we need an account for YouTube? Because actually we can see whatever we want from YouTube. Yeah, some of my videos we can see whatever we want from YouTube. But if we want to make a channel, we have to make a Google account, and yeah, it will be signed in. And again, next thing we have Play Store. Play Store, you might already know, it is really common in Android mobile phones. It consists of apps, games, movies, music, books, and all. And then next thing we have is Google News. It allows you to see the news which are it allows you to see the latest news, like see, COVID-19 news. It also shows you the weather in here. And then next thing we have is Gmail. G- Gmail allows you to get messages, and you can also send back the messages, like you like this. I just got some messages, and then if I these are the inbox messages, and if I compose, means I can send to other people one of my messages. I click on compose, and something will, and this will pop up new message. You can write to whom you are sending this, subject, why you are, about what you are sending this. Okay, and the next thing we have is contacts. Contacts is allows you to just get some contacts for calling, or you can just get their mobile numbers, import contact, you can create a contact. And these contacts can be connected to your phone. If you have the same Google account in your phone, then you just create a contact. It will come in your laptop or computer. You can keep unlimited amount of you know for contacts in here, but in mobile phone, like, it has a limited one. Okay, next thing will be Drive. Drive, I like Drive very much. It allows you to store photos, files, or documents. We have my Drive, share with me, recent, started, storage. Yeah, this is the storage. You can store like till 15 GB usage. And then if you click on new, you have folder, file upload. You can upload a file, you can upload a folder. Google Google document, docs, you know. And here we have Google Frames, Google Drawings, Google My Map, Google Sites, Google Apps Script, and then Google Jamboard. 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 Okay, yeah, that's all. And then the next thing we have is calendar. You guys might already know, you can set your birthday and all and all. Translate allows you to translate English or Spanish or any other language into whatever language you want. I'll just write this in English, like hi hi friends, and I will just keep it in Arabic. Here we got in Arabic, and you can also hear it.
Hi friends.
And then
مرحبا يا أصدقاء.
so this is in, okay, here if I write I just write like God is only one, and I'll translate in Arabic.
God is only one. الله واحد فقط.
So that's in Arabic. So that's it for now. And then next thing we have is Google Photos. Google Photos is really cool. It allows you to store like unlimited amount of photos which you have in your mobile. Which you have in your mobile, like it automatically comes. Again, the mobile has a mobile has a memory of storage, but of like Google Photos allows you to store like unlimited again. Okay, next thing we have is Duo allows you to just like do video calling and all. And next thing will be shopping shopping. I can shop like I can shop a PS4, and then you click enter, and we have PS4 here. Sony privately PlayStation 4. The PS4 I have will be this. No, the PS4 I will have will be this. This is the PS4 I have. And then if you just, I can just type PS4 games, and then here we have so many games like PUBG, Player No Battleground, Deluxe Night, uh, Jumanji, Watch Wa- Watch Dogs Legend, and so many others like God of War. Okay, the next thing we have will be books. Books is the last one of these and others I may leave because they are used for like business purposes. Okay, books I can search like wo- world at war, world at war, and then it will show me the books which are made at world at war. If you just click on them, it will open the page and you guys can read. The Second World War, the world at war, it was the largest war like that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope, and I also hope this was useful for you. And bye guys, and peace.